Step 1. Remove old door handle. Step 2. Take precedence of your new smart door handle. Just to note, the door handle is metal and heavy, so it does feel expensive with quality. Step 3. Install latch body. Step 4. Insert cable into the square bar. Step 5. Tighten set screws into the front panel. Step 6. Align front panel into latch body. Step 7. Insert carriage bolts and cable in back panel. Step 8. Screw in back panel into latch body. At this point, it's a great idea to give it a little tug to make sure that everything's working, and also test out the mechanical function with the keys to make sure they are also working. Step 9. Insert cable and batteries into the back panel. Step 10. Add your PIN and or fingerprint, and now you're ready to enjoy your smart door handle. I tested out the fingerprint functionality multiple times, and it's actually really fast, as you can see in the video. An optional step is to connect it to your phone and tap and hold to unlock your smart handle. Links are going to be in the description section of the video below. You guys already know it, but that's pretty much it for this video. Catch you in the next video. Kinjus here saying thanks for watching and peace.